Welcome to Car Trend. Today, we're talking about a true automotive icon that has made a stylish return, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. Known for its timeless design and cultural legacy, the Beetle is back, and this time, it blends classic charm with cutting-edge technology in a way that's both nostalgic and forward-thinking. The 2025 Beetle captures the spirit of the original with its signature round headlights, curved roofline, and compact body. But now, it's more refined, sleeker, and thoroughly modern. The exterior features new LED lighting, a smooth aerodynamic profile, and stylish alloy wheels that give the car a more premium look while maintaining its unmistakable identity. It's still the Beetle, just more grown-up and futuristic. Under the hood, the 2025 Beetle offers an all-electric powertrain for the first time in its history. Powered by Volkswagen's MEB platform, it delivers around 210 horsepower to the rear wheels, offering quick acceleration, quiet performance, and a smooth driving experience. With an estimated range of 280 miles on a full charge and fast charging capability that can get you to 80% in about 30 minutes, it's built for both the city and the open road. Inside the cabin, you're welcomed by a modern and minimalistic interior that pays homage to the original Beetle with a retro-inspired dash layout. A large central touchscreen controls the infotainment system, which supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, giving you all the driving info you need at a glance. The materials are high quality, with sustainable fabric or optional leather seating, and ambient lighting adds a touch of modern elegance. Despite its compact size, the Beetle is surprisingly roomy. The front seats are supportive and offer great visibility, while the rear seats fold down to expand the trunk space, making it a practical option for daily use. Volkswagen has clearly designed this car not just for style, but for comfort and convenience too. Safety features are top tier, with standard adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and parking sensors. It's smart, intuitive, and built with today's driver in mind. With a starting price around $29,000, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle is positioned as an affordable, stylish, and eco-friendly option for drivers who want personality without sacrificing modern features. It's the perfect car for those who appreciate heritage but are ready for what's next. This is the return of a legend, electric, elegant, and endlessly lovable. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle proves that style never dies, it just evolves. And you're watching Car Trend, where icons are reborn for the road ahead.